Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change theme on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you are bored of the older theme on your iPhone iOS 18 and you want to get a new theme on your iPhone iOS 18, so how you can get that new theme. So basically with the latest iOS 18 update, you can have got new themes related to that, but they are limited only dark and light colored. But if you want to enjoy more themes, then you can simply search for the iPhone theme on App Store, and after that you will get many themes apps which provide launcher apps which can install new themes and icons on your iPhone. So here you can simply find that this kind of apps available. But if you want to use the default settings and themes on your iPhone iOS 18, then you can also do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold on the black screen on your home screen. Then here you have to click on edit, and after that you have to click on customize, and here you will find a limited version. Like you can also select from the dark and also select from the automatic, and you can also use tinted colors, and you can also use large icons. Moreover, you can simply change the lights option. Here you can simply change the colors and also available light color. So if you do not want to, so you can use small icon, large icon. So these kind of themes options are limited. But if you want to use unlimited theme options, then you can simply download and install an app from the App Store, and after that you can use any kind of themes which are available on that app. So you have to make sure about that. So in this way you can simply change your icon settings, theme settings using that app launcher on your iPhone iOS 18. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.